Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so you don't waste time. Open Settings and confirm the missing app is actually installed and not disabled. You need that first. Once done, make sure you aren't in a restricted launcher, guest profile, or child mode that hides icons. Restart the phone to refresh the launcher process and free a little storage if the system reports low space. These quick checks often restore visibility without deeper changes. Next, target the launcher. Go to Settings, find the Launcher app, and clear its cache. If icons still hide, clear launcher data to reset layout. Once done, ensure the default launcher is set to MIUI or System Launcher, so system rules apply. Open the app drawer, locate your app, long press the icon, and drag it to the home screen to re-add. These steps rebuild the home layout and fix registration problems that prevent icons from appearing. For final fixes, inspect home settings for a hidden app list and unhide anything missing. This is a common MIUI quirk. Make sure both the app and MIUI system are updated. If a recent update broke visibility, uninstall app updates or roll back launcher updates. If problems persist, backup data and consider a factory reset as the last resort, only after backups. If nothing works, try installing a reputable third-party launcher to restore access while you investigate further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.